Yes, now go, now go, now go. Make space, control that space, control that space, control that space.
Hands up, let's go.
3, 4, 5.
Come on.
Nice.
Good shot. Good shot. More than one now. More than one. That's it. Then go again. Then go again.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Let's go.
One.
Everyone knows my game plan, and it works. I make you second guess your punches because I intercept.
Yeah.
But the second you start doing that, I'm gonna win. You have to just go, he may hit me, fuck it. Because the second you half think this and half move it, I catch you. And I'm right in your face and you're scared to punch because I hit you. You can't let me get in your head. As soon as I get in your head, I'm gonna win. I know it's harder, easier said than done. You can't, just go ignore, boom, hit me.
Which is what happened to me halfway through the round. Because I missed with a punch and I realised this hand's here. And he nearly hits me and I think, fuck, what am I doing? And as soon as I think, fuck, what am I doing? He wins.
Don't let me get in your head. It's like Mayweather. It's the first 2 rounds of competitive. Once he starts catching them a couple times and they get gun shy, he wins the whole fucking fight. The people who beat me are the Russians with no brain.
Yeah, just go.
They just fucking throw. And I hit them 1,000 times. They just go. That's how you win.
They just go. And they throw things like 2 hook.
Yeah.
Or hook, hook, hook.
They either get knocked out or they knock you out. They don't give a shit. Those are the ones who can beat.
Ready? Fight.
Your fastest weapon will always be the jab. Even if you can't hurt them with it, they have to be afraid of it. If you're not jabbing and they don't worry about the jab, you're never going to get them reacting. You got to get them in a position where when you do this, they shit themselves. If you're not throwing it, they won't think that. I can get you here, do this, you'll react, and then I can fucking whack you. They have to fear it, they have to respect it. That's your quickest gun. If they're not afraid of that, what they're afraid of? Because they see it. And I tell you what, I would rather get hit by something hard I see than something quick I didn't see.
Yeah.
Every fucking time. It's what you don't see that hurts you. What's what knocks you out is when you just thought, what the fuck was that? You've got to use your jab more. You're tall. Man, you know, come on. The jab's got to be fearsome. They got to be scared of it.
Man, give man a rest.
All right, cool. Nice.
Nigel me.
Take your eyes off the target, because you do this a lot. Yeah. I move my head, but my eyes, that's how I always see shit. Lock your eyes, grip your gum shield, and fucking fight. Fight. You get hit. It's boxing. You go swimming, you get wet. The less scared you are of getting hit, the less it will hurt. Just fucking fight. It's a fucking fight. Fight.
I'm only 116 kilos.
Exactly. This is sparring your knees. Manny, this is what's happening. You're swinging, stand up. Lean back. This is what he does. He leans back, and his hands are like here. Because he has like boxing stance when he's brawling. His hands go up. So as I swing, lean back. No, you're Luke, I'm you. Lean back. And then you're aiming for his head again when it's right there. His head's too far away. Just straight down. Not even power. Just straight line. Even if it doesn't, it's not going to stop him. He's too big, but it makes him think. His head is too fast. I barely touch his head. He's too good with his movement. The body's there for you. Just fucking take the easy punch. But it's because your hands are up and you're looking at his head. You've got to learn to punch what you're not looking at. If you see his head move, if I see his head move, I know where his body is, so I punch. I don't even look at it. But you're only trying to hit what you see. Do you understand? You need to look at his head and go, oh, his head is there, his body must be there. And just throw it without looking at it. Because where I fight like this, I have to watch his hands all the time. So if his hands are up, I watch his hands. If there's a punch here or a body hook, I throw my body hook, my arm, I don't look at it. I just know he has to be there because he's in front of me and he's leant back. You need to just instinctively, his head ain't there, cool, his body. Because unless his feet move, his body will be there. And then it's different in MMA. MMA is a different sport. But in boxing and kickboxing again is a different sport. But I got away with it in kickboxing because I'm smart. But my point is, let's say I punch your head, you lean back. I go for the body, even if I miss. Then you panic and run away and he hits you. Stay here. I'll do this and I'll do this and I'll go around. Now stay here. Stay down. Like Tyson used to fight people like this. Tyson did. You see his video? Right down there. Just go down. You don't have to run back. Stay there. Or the same thing I do to people all the time.
From the body.
All the time. I jab the body. I jab the body. As soon as they start moving that elbow down, I fake it, left hook the head. And it's clean. Every time. Over and over. It's the same trick. I've been doing it 10 years.
I do the same thing, but I jab the body, right hand to the head. Because I'm longer.
Watch Mayweather. He does those long, annoying jabs to the body. He's far away and just jabs the body and he fucks off again. Jabs the body, fucks off again. Then when he goes in, when their elbows come down, he fucking does that lead right hand. There we go. Fight! You can't run from him. So just put your hands up and put them down and stand there like I do. That's it. Jab. Jab, head and body. 2, 3, 4. And look at him. Don't take your head off. Eyes open. He'll clock you.